All right, stats kids, welcome. I've finally getting down to doing this. All right, so you guys should have gotten these two packets with a bunch of roll and write board games. And I had told you guys, hey, you're going to be making a roll and write. So I'm going to do a couple videos. This is going to be the first one where I walk you through how to play all these games. Okay? Um, so this first one is really cool. It's called Lantern, obviously. And it's like a little Dungeons and Dragons like quest type game. So I thought it was cool because you actually at the beginning of the game take how many dice is it? It is six six-sided dice. Let's see if I can get six six-sided dice. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got my 6 dice, and it says to roll your 6 dice, and this gives you your stats that you start with. Okay, I don't like those. Start again. Hey, those are some good numbers. I got 2 5s and a 6. Okay, and then what it says to do is to take these numbers. So I'm going to set them aside. Well, let's see. We'll set them. I'm trying to find a place I can set them and you can see them and the paper. But making sound effects. Whatever. Close enough. Okay, so I'm going to set these over the side a little. Okay, and so it kind of talks through it, but basically what you're going to do is go to the next couple. Where's the page for the first one? Here's the one I walked through. And so say I want to use this 5 for this. So what I'm going to do is circle 5 of those circles. Say I want to use the 6 for this one. I will circle 6 of them. Say I only want to use this 1 for here. Only 1 circle. 1 over here for that. Say 5 for the experience points. Okay, and then this 2 goes up here. I'm going to circle 2 circles right there. Okay, so that's the basics. That's how you set it up. And honestly, don't worry about messing it up. You can play this a few times. It took me like 5 minutes to play it. Okay, so now that you've got it set up, you start here at level 1, and you want to try and get as far up. I think, so this is my game that I played when I did it. I think I got to 6. That was as far as I could get. So what I want to do is, here's the goal of what I want to do. So what I'm going to do is roll my dice. Okay, so I need a 4 and a 5. So I don't have a 4 and a 5. And then I want 3 of the same number. Hey, I've got 3 of the same number. Cool. I have a 5. All right. And so then I have these 2 dice that don't match. And so that's where all these things come in. So this row, what it lets you do is take a die and flip it to the opposite side. So this 2 would flip to a 5. That's not going to help me, so I don't want to do that. Okay, this next one lets me change a number by plus or minus 1. So like I could turn this to a 1 or I could turn this to a 3. That doesn't help me either. Okay, this row lets me re-roll 1 die. So okay, let's try that. Nope, didn't work. Every time I use it, I have to cross it off, saying I use that ability. Cross off. Still haven't gotten it. Still haven't gotten it. Whatever. So that's that row. This row here lets you reroll as many dice as you want. So in this case, what I should have done is I should have used that and rolled both of those, right? Nope, because that still is only 1 circle I'm crossing off every time I reroll both of them. Hey, there's my 4. So I would have crossed off every time I messed up, got everything. Okay, so then I move on to row number 2. Now I want to get a 2, a 3, a 4, and 2 of the same number. Okay, so this one was tough. You want 2 sets of 3 of a kind. Okay, that's pretty much the game. So 2 sets of 3 of a kind. Hey, look at that. I got 2 4s and 2 6s. Nope. So I could say add 1 to that. That'll give me a 6. Then reroll this guy. Nope. Nope. A 5, and then say like minus 1. Boom. 4 4 4 4 4 6 6 6. Done. Okay. This, once you get to section 5, that's your rest stop. So you get 1 more of these, reroll as many as you want, and you get some experience points. And then at the end of the game, your score is how many circles you have left. So, and what I mean by have left is that circles that you have circled that you did not cross off. That's your score. That's it. That is that whole game. It takes about 5 minutes. Okay? All right. I'm going to go on to the next game before I stop this video. But like I said, this is a cool little one, and I think you could very easily tweak it to make something that you wanted to do whatever. Okay, so this is Railroad Inc. You actually can't play this one yet. I'm going to have us play this one day on Zoom. I'll explain that next. Okay, Temple Antics. Here's another one that's really easy to play. So for this one, so here's the rules. all you got to do is roll 2 dice, and it says you can optionally re-roll doubles. Cool. So I'm going to take my 2 dice, and I'll walk you through how this goes. So for this game, the whole point is you start here, you get dropped off, you want to steal the idol or rescue, find, whatever you want, and then you want to go over here, okay, to escape. So all I'm going to do is roll 2 dice. Boom, I got a 4 and a 6. And the whole thing with this game is I'm going to pick one of these dice to be the next tile that I go to. And the other die will become my encounter. Okay, so let's just walk through a couple of them. So let's say I pick this 4. So 4 means I have to draw this one. So then I'm going to look, I start here. Let's say I want to go to this room right here. So I would draw one line on one side. Okay, and that means I then move here. So that's my 4, used it. And then I'm going to see the 6. 6 says, oh, you fall into a trap. It says -1. Oh, it's what time of day it is. So right now we're in this first day, so I lose 1 health. So right up here is my health, so I just cross off a circle. That was turn 1. That is the game. And so then I'm going to roll 2 again. Oh, I got 2 1s. 1s look really bad, so I'm going to re-roll it. A 6 and a 3, sure. So let's not use the 6 for the trap again. Let's use 3 for, well, we'll use this again because it's just -1. So this 3 means I'm going to go here. So I want to go up here. So I get to position these lines wherever I wanted. So say I wanted to go this way, I could put the lines here, but I want to go up. So that means I'm going to put the lines like right here. And I go up. That's round 2. And then I got a 6. So that means I fall into a trap again and I lose another hit point. That's the game. That's it. That is the whole game. And there's some inventory things you can get. So one of the items says, where is it? Oh, if I go to the pickaxe, I get the pickaxe. And I have 2 uses for it. It tells you down here what they do. So like the pickaxe, I can blah, blah, blah. I can break a wall. So like say I was here, but I really wanted to go this way. Well, I can use the pickaxe to break through a wall. Otherwise, to break through a wall, I think you have to lose a hit point. It says it up here somewhere. But like I said, that is the game. Like I said, it's really easy. It's simple. You're just drawing paths. It's a pretty cool little game. So I'm at 7.5 minutes. I'm going to stop this video now, and then I'll have another video where I talk about a couple other games. All right. Enjoy. Play these couple games.